Fruit and wine country. Welcome to the Okanagan Valley. There's many ways you can describe the drive through this valley. Breathtaking, awesome, every turn offers you stunning views. And as we saw in the last video, rich wineries are abundant, as well as retirees, RV parks, and golf courses. All are here for the beautiful dry weather, but it's also home to fires and smoke from the fires.
You can see it here.
You can see it here? Oh wow, I didn't know. Oh wow, look at the view. Unbelievable. Oh yeah, you can see the rain coming in too. What's this? B&B Summerland Winery.
Look at how many cars here. They people living here and working. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. My uncle used to part-time and then go.
A lot of boat here now. Maybe the RV park.
Okay, slightly rainy, off and on rain today, just like yesterday. We finished up Summerland. All we did was the winery tours there. We did 3 of them. I guess I didn't video everything there, but now we're entering Peachland. So we're gonna stop. I remember a very good bakery here. Yeah, I know we're right on the roadside and that's why it's noisy. Might stop at a bakery, have a bite to eat, and I don't know if we're gonna do one more winery tour or not. And then from Peachland, we'll just probably head straight to Kelowna and kind of like chill out in Kelowna for the night. Okay, trying to find a bakery that I liked in Peachland here, but also check out, it doesn't show anything, but there is 2 fires going, I see on the top of this hill. And there is definite smell of smoke in the air. This is like very close to people's homes, so I don't know what this is going on here. Oh, wiener dog. Yeah, there's a lot of fires on the top of the hill. A couple of different ones.
It's okay there?
It's a sleepy road. The old guy. Here's that. Oh, she's not careful. Wow, wow. Oh, the other side is bigger. Smoke.
Yeah.
Wow, look at, unbelievable. Huh? I guess it's not a danger to the house. I don't think so. Unless it comes down the mountain. Try. The rooster. Wow, look at. Yeah, fire. Wow, that's close to the house, look, huh? Those rich house, huh? Wow. I don't know. Huh? Look at house is right under. It's mostly smoldering. Looks like smoldering, not heavy flame.
But there is a heavy.
Yeah. Maybe they need the water. Oh, I see. Look at the flames.
I know, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you have to be careful.
Yeah, nobody behind. Wow. Only 2 roads lead into the city of Kelowna, where 142,000 people call this home. From the north route, it winds through the valleys of the Okanagan, and the road we're on now, from the south, it's only accessible by bridge. But this city is plagued with a lot of urban sprawl. Temps here in the summer can reach into the 100-degree Fahrenheit mark. Interesting concepts. We come to the brewery and they have a beautiful, looks like creek and hike and biking trail. And right beside it is this cemetery. Look at this is an old cemetery. Oh, some is cremated. Wow, 1888 to 1956. How about that? Wow, some of this is very old. 1939 they died there. 1930. Wow. 1941. Wow. It's not large, but you know what? Wow, some of the crosses are pretty cool. I don't want to step on anybody. Because that's too creepy. And then right in the backyard is this brewery that we're going to. Wow. It's nice though.
This small hotel is good idea.
Yes.
I wanna do.
These are all old buildings that they fixed up, I think, a lot. Wow, it's a huge, it's unbelievable. Maybe they used to have farm sheep and cow. Start here, and yeah, seems legit. I'm sure somewhere it's beer o'clock in the world. Cool. Inside, outside. Inside. Oh, upstairs. Look at.
Yeah,
Wow, I didn't know.
upstairs. You can order here
I like
and
the upstairs. Wow, it's nice up there. Okay, no more. Okay, go. A lot of the hotels in downtown Kelowna are unbelievable. A lot of them situated right along the lakefront and easily accessible by boat. It's a waterfall, downtown waterfall. Huh? Wow.
Oh, nice.
I don't remember. Huh?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Wow, good idea.
Yeah, good idea. Is it natural? Wow. The new that one. New here, yeah?
Yeah, beauty. This is a shelter for the boats. So you bring it in through the channel, park it, go to your room, and then when you're done your stay at this hotel, you can leave. The other side of that one is this hotel. That one you can't take a boat up to. Yeah, bring your boat. Park on the waterfront. Huh? And stay at the hotel. Maybe the best idea. It's a lock for the boat to get your boat in. Yeah. There. If you want to come up to the hotel. Huh. Thanks for hanging out with us today and tripping along with us through the Okanagan Valley. And you know what? I really hope you come back next time because we answered the question, where are we going to stay tonight? Camp in the back of the car? Tent? Or you know what? What about a hotel room? Maybe we should book a hotel room. Well, I guess you'll have to see next time. So, until next time, cheers. Always, always keep staying awesome.